Hello Divi fans. This video is going to go over a few features of Divi 5. One is preset options, which we have a few videos on. I want to clarify something shortly from one of the previous videos. And then I'm also going to mention another new feature called advanced units. They're not really advanced units. It's easier to use different units than before. So I'm going to go into this page called home page, which was used in a few videos. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to duplicate these text modules here. Let's see, settings, design, text 4. Let's see if all of these are text 4. Okay, now if I go into the preset settings and I change the color, it should change the color of all 9, and it does. If I change text size, changes. I change the letter space, it changes it for all 9, because all 9 text modules have the group preset text 4. Okay, if I change the alignment, it changes the alignment for all of them. I want to keep it center. And change I'm going to delete these extra text modules and just have them there to show what group presets do. Save draft. C should, if I go into preset settings again, it should change. It does. For the button preset 2. I change the styling on the button, it should change the styling on all 3 buttons. If I make it italicized, it changes. I'm just going to keep it uppercase, not italicized. Black. I want to change the text to black. Make the text size 15. I'll keep the letter spacing and line height the same. One new feature that was recently added is a selection of units. So by default, it's pixels, but it also has %, M, rem, VW, which is viewer width, VH, which is viewer height, Vmin, Vmax, calc, min, max, cloud, inherit, unset, and CSS var. For the sake of things, I'm going to change this to %. Line height has %, but letter spacing does not have %. M. That is too much. Do rem. It seems like the default styling for the browser is the same as the default styling for this module, so it has the same effect. I'll just go back to pixels, do calc, do 15 pixels, let's do 20 minus 20 minus 15 pixels. Spaces around operators. We do 20 minus 15. How does calc work? Calc 20 pixels minus 15 pixels. clamp. If we do 16 pixels, 20 pixels, and let's do maybe 25. I guess I go to clamp the units at the higher end. Let's do 16 pixels. Do 2m minus 1. It's 1m. Do minus another m. 0. So that's how calc works. The way calc works is they have to have the same units, and it's just a calculator. And keep the line height at 2m. So the way calc will work here is something like 16 pixels minus 0 pixels. 20 pixels minus 4 pixels. You get 16 pixels. And then I'm going to save the preset. Yes. I change this. Simple. Regular. Old. And preset. If I do 10 pixels minus 10 pixels. Now it's only changing the first one. And preset. And preset. If I do button, let's save. Let's do new preset from current styles. Okay, if I change this button to button 4, also button 4. And if I go into here, preset settings, I change order. Changing. Now it's changing for all of them. You have to make sure you select this and slide it to the right. So you need to make sure that the use custom styles for button is on the right. So all these custom styles apply. I'm going to keep it at 10 pixels. Okay, so that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below the videos, and subscribe to the channel. This helps a lot.